Hey bookies, if you read the title, you already know what we doing in this video today. Get into this phase. 4+4, 8. First thing first, we starting out with a clean face and some clean brushes. It's gonna make your makeup look way better, trust me. I'm gonna be using my Mirror Gray Skin Primer. I usually use e.l.f. I love me some good e.l.f. primer, but this all I got, so I'm gonna just use this today, okay?
Don't you remind me? No, I try to stay low, but I shine so bright.
I like to start with my brows. Some people do their brows last. I mean, it's up to you, your choice. But me, I'm gonna do my brows first. I'm gonna use my Precisely Brow Pencil by Benefit in the shade 5. First, I brush my brows up. And then I go in with the pencil. The thing about doing your eyebrows, you do not want to color them in. Just trace the outside of your brows so it can look natural. See, I'm gonna start here and just like work my way out. See, not too much. Then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side.
Shook up the trenches, moving the tendons and still trapping in it.
And another thing, remember that your brows are sisters, not twins. They're not gonna be the same all the time. I'm gonna take my Too Faced concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm gonna trace the outside of my brows to make them look all sharp and crisp.
When the rest too skinny, I can make some squeeze a million. When the rest too skinny, I can make some squeeze a million. Dropped out of school, kicked down the door.
Sometimes I do the top, but I'm not gonna do the top today. No specific reason, I just don't want to. I'm gonna take my brush and just blend the product into my skin, and I'm gonna move it down.
Just look at the bitch and I know I'ma score 200 cash with a mag in my drawer. I'm pulling straight like I played a guitar. Dracos and Max, we ready.
This is how my brows look. Very cutesy, very demure. Next, I'm gonna take my One Size Turn Up the Base foundation in the shade 35.
In a million, M's in the back, I don't care about a opinion. Play with the game, we stay, we drillin'. Fuck it, we crash, we feelin'. I'm on my bag and I'm getting. When the rat too skinny, I can make some squeeze a million. When the rat too skinny, I can make some squeeze a million. When the rat too skinny, I can make.
Now that I got my foundation all blended in, I'm gonna take my Too Faced concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm gonna just apply a little bit under my eyes and then bring it down across my top lip under my nose.
But he not in it.
This how it should look once you're done blending. I'm gonna go in with my Merit Rouge blush. Okay, next I'm gonna take my Tarte setting powder and put it underneath my eye and a little across my lips. Really in the spots that I feel like is like too oily or too shiny. Just to make it more soft and smooth, I guess.
Let me take them back to the back door in the north. Don't you remind me? No. I try to stay low, but I shine so bright, so it be hard not to find me. These rainbow diamonds up in that rolling, no, this not your regular timepiece. Compress your order, gon' cost you a quarter, and this a fee to stand beside me. God forbid if somebody try me, I'm turning this shit to a crime scene. Grab the cig and put up the kid the minute Draco in the arms lane.
I love this one. This is the Revolution setting spray. I'm gonna just spray it all over my face.
But I sing, go!
When the right too.
Next, I'm gonna go on with my favorite lip liner from Makeup Forever Dimensional Dark Brown. Y'all, I love this lip liner, okay? And what I like to do is overline my lips. I'm talking about overline my lips, okay? I'm gonna start at the very top of my lip. And you wanna make sure your pencil is like flat when you do it. Like, don't do it like this. I hate when people put their lip liner on like that. No, we're not doing that, sis. That's not how you do it. Lay it flat.
Now, you don't know what I know. Ain't seen what I seen. What the fuck they be talking about? Damn, she stick on the bag and went on this bitch to clock out. I pulled the F in it out of my drawer. She thought I was pulling my cock out. If you touch one of us, so we bust you a little bit of shit.
But trust the process. I'm gonna do 4 lip gloss today. Yes, I know 4 sounds crazy as hell. My Patrick Tie in the shade Mine. It's like the chocolate. It's really pretty.
I got me a coupe hoping I hop in it. He claiming the game, but he not in it. That Birkin back came with defying it. He told you to rap with a line. He got some new jewels, he's flexing his ice.
Next, I'm gonna go in with my Pat McGrath Divine Rose. This is my first time using this one for real, y'all.
Feet stand beside me. God forbid if somebody try me, I'm turning this shit to a crime scene. Grab the cig and put up the kids the minute Draco in the arm sling. And then no jumping or switching no side when I let it sing, the bell ring. Please don't tell me just cause on my cover, cause you never sing what I sing. Go!
When the racks too stiff.
My NYX in the shade Fortune Cookie.
You don't know what I know, ain't seen what I seen, what the fuck they be talking about? Damn, she stick on the bag and went on this bitch to clock out. I pulled the F in it out of my drawer, she thought I was pulling my cock out. If you touch one of us, we bust you, little bit of shit get shot down. You're not one of us.
Oh yes, this is cute. Those can't with me, these can't with me. Nah, but that's how this make me feel though. Okay. Alright, y'all, this is the final look.
Come up, spray ground, we gone, 85 northbound. Yes, sir, it's me go business. Yes, sir. We divided the field like tennis. We shook up the trenches, moving the tennis and still trapping in it. It's a handout 50. I stack it up, double up, spend it. When the rat too